Gish with MarineMax Baltimore, and I'm here today to show you our 2019 Scout 355 LXF. I'm going to start at the transom of the boat. This particular boat has triple Mercury 350 horsepower motors with the joystick docking control. She'll top out just over 70 miles an hour wide open and a very comfortable cruise in that 45 to 50 mile an hour range. Moving to the teak inlay swim platform, give a nice walk through all the way across the back of the boat, which will lead you to the transom entry on the boat. Whether you're fishing or hanging out with your friends and family for the afternoon, it's a nice large cockpit with a retractable seat to give you more space or more seating depending upon how you're using the boat. Underneath here we have a great addition to the Scout lineup. This is our SeaKeeper 3, runs off a DC battery system. Works anytime, whether you're tied up to the dock, out in the water, running in the rougher seas, makes a more comfortable ride for everybody on board. Moving forward to the helm, we have the twin Garmin glass cockpit screens, full radar, GPS, cameras, stereo control, pretty much any part of the boat can be run right here on the helm system, as well as Mercury's vessel view system. A full engine management control system shows you everything from how the motors are running to your fuel burn. Great way to keep track of everything that's going on with your boat itself. Moving forward to the cabin space. Again, Scout did a great job updating this from the 350. AccuFlush head, full berth for two, and an air conditioning system with a refrigerator. Very, very comfortable if you wanted to spend the weekend on the boat. Moving forward, one of Scout's signature pieces is the very large sun pad in the bow area. Obviously room for two, very, very comfortable, easy to use. Moving to the bow of the boat, we have the bow entertainment space with the table. Table does drop down to make a sun pad, or we'll go all the way into the floor to move out of your way for better access to the windlass system. Again, this is Mike Gish with MarineMax. This is our 2019 Scout 355 LXS. Come and check us out in Baltimore.